Today we're going to show you how to replace the right taillight on a 2002 Suburban. First, remove any tape that's holding the damaged fixture in place, and then open the tailgate. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the two screws that hold the taillight assembly in, and then gently pull the inner edge outward. If the new taillight assembly you purchased did not come with new bulbs and fixtures, go ahead and remove the old ones now. Simply press the release tabs and turn the fixtures counterclockwise. The assembly we purchased came with new wiring, new bulbs, and new sockets. Just above the tailpipe, look for these connectors, particularly this black connector here. Go ahead and remove that connector using the tab shown in the circle. Next, go ahead and clean the area with some compressed air if available, and with the battery disconnected, a little bit of electrical contact cleaner. This will help remove any corrosion that might be present. If your assembly came with new bulbs, now is a good time to check them. If any of the bulbs are damaged, you'll know before you put everything back together. Take the wiring harness and route it through the body panel as illustrated, and go ahead and line up your taillight assembly and hold it in place. You may need to exert a little bit of force to line the screws up with the holes, especially if the vehicle has body damage. This clip helps illustrate the location of the wiring harnesses. To install the connection, just firmly press it into place and make sure it doesn't come back out. Finally, check for proper operation. Since the brake lights and taillights are separate on this vehicle, you may need someone to observe while you operate each light.